Welcome to the channel. This is intro video about React.js and this is first module. In this module, we're gonna start off by talking about what is React.js and why you should use it. Moving forward, we're gonna talk about React elements and how they are the building blocks that represent DOM nodes. After that, we're gonna talk about JSX, which is a syntax extension that allows you to write HTML code in your JavaScript. After that, we're gonna talk about functional components, which are independent reasonable components that describe how the UI should look like based on its state and properties. And lastly, we're gonna learn how to arrange functional components to model an application in an efficient and clean manner.